Emma's most embarrassing day ever. Emma woke up feeling great. It was a special day. She had an important presentation at school and she wanted to impress everyone. She had prepared her speech perfectly, picked out her favorite outfit, and even had enough time for a big, delicious breakfast. Nothing could go wrong today. At least that's what she thought. As she grabbed her backpack and stepped out of the house, she felt confident. But then, just as she closed the door, she realized she had left her phone and notes inside. She groaned and rang the doorbell. Instead of opening the door quietly, her little brother Max threw it open and yelled at the top of his lungs, "Mom!" Emma forgot her stuff again. The entire neighborhood probably heard him. Emma rolled her eyes, grabbed her phone and papers, and hurried away. She was walking to the bus stop, texting her best friend Lily about how excited she was for the day. She was typing so fast she didn't even notice the lamppost right in front of her. Bam! Her forehead hit the metal, and her phone flew out of her hand. The people waiting at the bus stop gasped. Emma quickly picked up her phone and tried to act like nothing happened. But her forehead was turning red, and she could hear people whispering. She took a deep breath. Okay, that was embarrassing, but it's fine. The day is still young. When she got to the cafe near her school, she decided to buy a coffee to help her focus. She ordered her usual vanilla latte, grabbed the cup, and stepped outside. Just as she was about to take a sip, she accidentally squeezed the cup too hard. The lid popped off and coffee spilled all over her white shirt. Emma stared at herself in horror. She looked like she'd been attacked by a giant coffee monster. She quickly grabbed some napkins and tried to clean it, but it was too late. The stain was too big. Well, I guess this is my new look now, she muttered to herself as she walked into school, trying to hide the stain with her bag. By the time she reached her classroom, she already felt exhausted. But the worst part of the day was still coming. It was time for her big presentation. She walked to the front of the class, took a deep breath, and started speaking. At first, everything was going well. She was confident, her voice was strong, and she was finally getting into her flow. But then she noticed something strange. Lily, her best friend, was frantically waving her hands. The teacher was looking at her with a weird expression. Some students were whispering to each other. Emma's heart started racing. What's happening? Then she looked down, and that's when she saw it. The coffee had not only stained her shirt, it had also dripped down onto her pants. And from a distance, it looked like she had an accident. Her stomach dropped. No, 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 this isn't happening. The room went completely silent for a second. Then someone laughed. And then another person. And within seconds, the entire class was laughing out loud. Emma wanted to disappear. She wanted the floor to open up and swallow her whole. She could feel her face burning as she nervously tugged on her shirt, trying to cover the stain. Then something surprising happened. Her teacher smiled and said, "Emma, I think this is going to be the most unforgettable presentation of the year." Even Emma couldn't help it. She started laughing too. She had spent the whole morning trying to be perfect, and now she was standing in front of her class looking like a total mess. But instead of being embarrassed, she decided to own it. She continued her presentation with a huge smile on her face. And guess what? It was amazing. The class was paying full attention, not because of her accident, but because she had turned an awkward moment into something funny and relatable. At the end of the day, Lily patted her on the back and said, "Well, at least it wasn't a boring day." Emma sighed, shaking her head. Yeah, I guess embarrassing moments make the best stories. And from that day on, whenever someone in her class made a mistake or had an embarrassing moment, they would say, "At least it's not as bad as Emma's coffee disaster."